To know more about Hoiks that isn't covered in this video, go check out Sorbet Cafe's video on Hoiks. It's longer, but he goes way more in depth, and I use the same color-coded system he does. So yeah, go check it out. It's great. Firstly, I want to cover this wall glitch here. I won't go too much into detail, but if you hold the down key while walking towards a wall-modified platform in front of a block on the ground, you could go straight through it with no problem. This can also be turned into a full face wall, but if you mess around with it a bit more, you'll find that it actually works on any kind of projectile too, like bullets and arrows. All that's helpful and all, but it's a pretty well-known glitch and doesn't apply to too many situations, unfortunately. You can pull off this bug by hammering a normal block so that the hypotenuse faces the direction you want entities to be nudged. Then replace it with a platform using the replace tool. Make sure to use replace and not just mine the block with a pickaxe, or the bug won't work. This setup can help protect your base from a bunch of different creatures, but it won't work on enemies that can face your walls. That includes ghosts, wraiths, wyverns, cursed skulls, and most bosses. If you're using this glitch, don't forget to block off the area above the platform so creatures can't just jump over it. If you actually want to use your Hoik, make sure to mount it first. Sorbet Cafe's video shows a bunch of different ways to do that, but for now I'm going to use the wall glitch from earlier, since it's one of the easier methods. Now first, I'm going to cover right-facing Hoiks can be built by hammering a block so that the hypotenuse faces right and down towards the ground. Remember this for the rest of the video, by the way. A Hoik always nudges you towards the hypotenuse, towards. You enter from the flat side and exit towards the hypotenuse. This works the same for left-facing Hoiks, just with the hypotenuse facing left and down. Now that the horizontal Hoiks are out of the way, I'd like to move on to vertical Hoiks are a bit more complicated. Hoiks going up have hypotenuse facing upward, but depending on the horizontal direction it's facing, you'll enter from the opposite side. So Hoik facing up and to the left is entered from the right, while one facing up and to the right is entered from the left. This same logic applies to downward Hoiks too. Make sure to enter a downward Hoik slowly so you don't overshoot. You can enter one Hoik from another, but make sure there's a 2-block gap between Hoik rows so it works properly. As you might guess, this can be used to make loops. These are called Hoik Loops. They're pretty useful for bosses, though keep in mind that at certain sizes, they could get kind of nauseating. And that's the end of this bare bones beginner guide to Terraria Hoiks. Remember, if you want a more advanced explanation or want to see more Hoik tricks and mounting methods, check out Sorbet Cafe's video in the description. I recommend it so much. So, yeah, that's it. See ya.